Today is May 5th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado vinyl top perimeter halo trim. This is the stainless steel trim molding that goes around the perimeter of the vinyl top specific to the 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado. It's a 2-year only design and it's specific only for the Eldorado. This particular unit includes the impossible to find retainers. These are the long monolithic retainers that are attached to the welded studs that have a nail head design that are welded to the top of the roof. And then they have a slip over clip that hold these large monolithic retainers in place to facilitate the attachment of the trim moldings. Fortunately, these are a Western Arizona removal. These are from a Western Arizona donor vehicle, and the galvanized steel retainers are in beautiful condition. These are impossible to find because they're generally completely deteriorated from corrosion, and they generally fall apart once you're removing the upper trim moldings. So the unit is a complete set. It includes all of the perimeter that circumnavigates the vinyl top of the roof, and this will be going to my friend Patrick in Illinois, and this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 E1 Eldorado and over 250,000 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, including the 1-year only 1969 rim blow steering wheel. Today is Tuesday, May 5th. Thank you very kindly.